Imagine traveling 3 billion miles from the warmth of the sun. Can you feel the cold? We have reached the final frontier of the solar system, the very edge of the light. Out here, the sun shines nearly 1,000 times dimmer than it does on Earth. It is no longer a source of life, only a distant, flickering star, barely visible against a sea of darkness. This is Neptune, the solitary guardian of the abyss. It was not discovered by chance or through a telescope alone, but predicted through the silent precision of mathematics. For decades, astronomers noticed something unsettling. Uranus was drifting, its orbit subtly disturbed, as if an unseen hand were pulling at it. A ghost in the dark was bending the laws of gravity. When scientists finally turned their lenses toward the source, they found it, a deep blue world, hidden in the shadows for billions of years. Since that moment, Neptune has completed only a single orbit around the Sun. Picture it, moving in near silence through the frozen outskirts of space. But do not let its calm, cloud-like appearance deceive you. Beneath that serene sapphire surface lies a planet consumed by chaos. Neptune holds one of the most extreme records in the solar system. It is home to the fastest winds ever observed on any planet. These are not gentle breezes. They are violent, screaming gales. Winds here race across the atmosphere at more than 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. If you could somehow stand within them, your body would be torn apart before you could even hear the roar. Where does such power come from? At this distance from the sun, Neptune should be frozen and lifeless, and yet it radiates more heat than it receives. Deep within the planet, a mysterious internal engine burns, a fire hidden inside ice. This unseen energy fuels storms so massive they could swallow Earth whole. In 1989, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft witnessed something terrifying, a colossal Earth-sized storm known as the Great Dark Spot, a swirling abyss of violence. But when the Hubble Space Telescope searched for it years later, the storm had vanished, only to reappear elsewhere. Unlike Jupiter's long-lived Great Red Spot, Neptune's storms are fleeting phantoms. They form, consume everything in their path, and disappear without warning. No one fully understands why. Neptune is a planet that seems to breathe, and its breath is made of shadows. As we descend deeper beneath the clouds, the pressure becomes unbearable. Thousands of miles below the surface, an extraordinary transformation takes place. Under immense gravity, carbon atoms are compressed so intensely that scientists believe they crystallize into diamonds. Here, it may literally rain diamonds. Massive, glittering crystals falling through a scorching, liquid ocean. A sky that showers precious stones, only for them to melt into an electrified sea below. Neptune is a world of contradictions, frozen on the outside, yet hiding an interior hotter than the surface of the sun. And then there is its magnetic field. On Earth, our compasses point north. On Neptune, the magnetic field is wildly tilted, chaotic, and offset from the planet's center, as if its core itself is fractured. This distorted field warps space around the planet, interacting with the solar wind in ways scientists are still struggling to understand. Neptune is not only a guardian, it is also a thief. Its largest moon, Triton, was once a traveler from the distant Kuiper Belt, captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. Triton is a frozen world of nitrogen ice and cryovolcanoes, where temperatures plunge to nearly absolute zero. But its fate is sealed. It orbits Neptune in the wrong direction, slowly spiraling inward. One day, Neptune's gravity will tear Triton apart, shredding it into a vast ring system, a dark, glittering crown for the king of the abyss. Beyond Neptune lies only emptiness, the endless void of interstellar space. This blue giant stands as the last lighthouse before total darkness, a reminder of how small we truly are, a reminder that the universe was not built for us, a realm of crushing pressure, supersonic screams, and eternal cold. At the edge of the solar system, there is no one to catch us if we fall. There is only the abyss,